Hi, I'm Arsham, and this series of videos about computer science and game development are sponsored by Kitakode. I've started taking a course called CS50 made by Harvard, which gives you all the knowledge you need for computer science and game development. And this series of videos are summarized versions of that course. Feel free to check it out for yourself. Now on to the video. In this video, we're going to talk about another type of algorithm known as bubble sort. The idea of this algorithm is to move higher value elements generally towards the right and the lower valued elements towards the left. So let's say we have an array of unsorted elements and we also have a counter which is set to 0 whenever we start this algorithm. And the things we need to do is check each adjacent pair of values and sort them like this. Here 2 is smaller than 5, so it gets swapped over. And once we've swapped them, we can increment the swap counter by 1 to indicate how many times we've swapped to sort this array. Now we have a look at 5 and 1, and since 1 is smaller, it gets swapped over and then add 1 to the swap counter as well. And then we check the next pairs. Once we reach the end, we'd have to start from the beginning, because although it is from the lowest to highest, we still need to sort a few values. And each time you go one round, you should reset the value of the swap counter as well. So then again, we repeat the same process and we lock in each value which is in its correct placement. And at last, we would have an ordered incrementing array of numbers. So now let's move on to our worst case, which is that the array would be in reverse order, so we would need to bubble sort n times to get it ordered correctly. But the best case is that the array is already perfectly sorted and we don't need to make any swaps. So the worst case is O of n power 2, and the best case is omega of n. Alright, hope you guys have learned something about the bubble sort algorithm, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon because it makes you notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.